Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see the recipe for the fish podimas. Here are the ingredients to make the fish podimas. I have taken sear fish here. In Tamil we used to say vanjaram or neymeen. Sear fish only tastes best for fish podimas. Let's begin by boiling the sear fish. Boil the fish by adding little salt and turmeric powder. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to boil the fish. Once the fish is cooked, scramble it into smaller pieces like this using your hand. Take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in a pan and add in ginger garlic paste. Salt it and add in the finely chopped onions. Well, the onions should be chopped very finely to make this dish. The onions should be cooked well and it took nearly 5 minutes for me. In go some curry leaves and slitted green chillies. Add in some turmeric powder, salt, Kashmiri chilli powder and coriander powder. Saute it until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. I have reserved some fish stock here. Once the masala powders are cooked, add in the fish stock. Saute it for a couple of minutes and add in the shredded fish. Mix it until everything combines well. Now add in the freshly grounded pepper powder. Finally, add in some coriander leaf. The delicious fish podimas is ready to be served now. Do try this and share me the feedback. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.